is a 38-piece quarter-inch set of sockets, bits and accessories made by Högert Technik. The tools are manufactured with the drop forge technique and come in a reinforced case with metal hinges and a sliding lock. The set contains a 72-teeth ratchet made of chromoly steel with a quick-release mechanism, a socket driver handle, hex sockets made of chromium-vanadium alloy, slotted Phillips, Aussie tempered tocks and hex bits made of S2 alloy steel, two extensions 50 and 100 mm, a universal joint. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.